Vision Pro is here in the studio. I have never tried augmented reality or virtual reality before. I did try Google Glass back in the day, but this is spatial computing. Apple Vision Pro is a very expensive device. However, I believe that this is really a tech device for people who are the first adopters. You should pay very close attention to what this product can do and how this is going to move technology forward. So let's get into the unboxing experience, and I will start to set it up and we will go from there. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos about the Vision Pro. I will be doing quite a few videos. I'm going to cover everything I can about it and help teach you everything you need to know about spatial computing and how it can change the way you are productive. So I'm done talking. Let's unbox. The large shoebox is very, very cool. You can see the Vision Pro up front, and you can kind of see some of the glasses and some of the lenses, and it's just a really beautiful device. So you're gonna drop it up like that. So that's the top of the box. And one of the reasons why I had to open up this already is because I needed to change out my light seal. And so the light seal is this piece that goes around the actual unit, and it helps keep all the light out of your experience so that you can really be immersed inside of this new world of spatial computing. Now, I've always dreamt about the day that this was a thing, and it's really crazy that we're here. So we're going to take this, we're going to set it to the side for now, just for a moment, and we're going to go through the rest of the box. So right here, you have some paperwork, which is going to be very, very cool. This is nice. This reminds me a lot of the unboxing experience for the very first Apple Watch. So you have some general instructions here about the polishing cloth, how to adjust the strap. Here's also the double loop strap that they have here. And you kind of see how to uninstall it. I actually wear glasses. As you can see, I did order some lenses from Zeiss to go in here. I do not have them today, but I will have them probably Monday or Tuesday, and I'll go ahead and do another video on that. So if you have bifocals or you have glasses or prescriptions or readers, you might want to check that video out because the experience on here is very cool, especially with glasses. It blew my mind. In short, there are blank lenses that you can put on this Vision Pro, and it will adjust the Vision Pro to the prescription of the lenses. Probably didn't make any sense. Sorry if I didn't, but just know that the technology in here is so good, it can take any pair of glasses and make it to your prescription. Isn't that crazy? They actually had a machine there that scanned your prescription and then uploaded it to the Vision Pro. Come on, man. Double loop band is in here in a very nice, cool looking strap. So let's take a look at that. So this looks like the trail loop from the Apple Watch Ultra. Yeah. So we get a nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable. We get a 30-watt power brick. And wow, and we get the battery unit. Now, the battery unit is actually pretty special because the battery unit is what powers the entire Vision Pro. There is no battery inside of the Vision Pro. And so when you plug and unplug this battery, that is when the Vision Pro has power, which means that they had to do some special thing here with MagSafe. It's like this locking mechanism so it can kind of drop in and then close. I think that's pretty cool. One thing that is kind of concerning is the battery does not have a removable cable. So we'll check that out. I already got a scratch on my battery. I just hit it up against the C-stand. It's mine now. All right, so that's the battery, and inside of here you have the additional light seal. So this is just a stronger, like a more comfortable cushion. So this says N+ on it. So this is the narrow cushion. I was told this is kind of like the luxurious cushion. It's supposed to feel a lot better. You got a really nice polishing cloth. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, yeah, this is really nice. Definitely worth the price that I paid for the Vision Pro. Oh man, this is crazy. Only thing I kept out is this polishing cloth because I definitely want to use the polishing cloth to keep the Vision Pro clean. I mean, you spend all this money, use the polishing cloth, but this box is too cool. Definitely going to be a collector's item. The actual Vision Pro unit. Let me give you a little walk around of the Vision Pro. So in the back, you have this knit band, and I mean, it feels like a really, really comfortable sock. If you take a look at the stitching here, you can kind of see that this is a really, really, really impressive feat of knitting and engineering. It's breathable, it's stretchy, it feels very comfortable. Right here on the side, you have the pull tab for where you want to pull off the band. So this is how you change the band if you want to switch it over to the other loop. And it's pretty easy to do because this little pull tab is what releases it from the side strap. So once you pull it on, you can just tuck it right back on there and pull it right back off. Really easy. They did a good job with this. Right here on the side, you have your speakers. So there's speakers that fire right down into your ears. They sound amazing. They're not super great as far as comparison to like just listening to media, like music or anything like that. But if you're listening to responses from Siri or you're listening to, you know, a YouTube video or something like that, you'll be just fine. Right here is the cushion that I was telling you about. You can take that off. It's all magnetic, which is really cool. It's very reminiscent of the AirPods Pro Max. Like this is what this feels like a lot. So you can go here. This is the actual light seal. So when you get fitted on the app and you go in the store, you're getting fitted for the light seal and the cushion. So as you can see here, this is how it will sit on my eyes. I ended up going with 21 narrow as my size, and I'm glad I did because this enables a very, very immersive experience, especially because now there's no light coming in. On the front, you have a, I don't know, what do you want to call this? You got a do-rag. You got a little do-rag that comes with this. It's really cool. And then you see, boom, this is it. These are my new ski goggles. This is crazy. Like, this is like putting an iPad Pro / MacBook Air / Apple Watch / I don't know what you want to call it. All I know is that this thing is built really beautiful and it is very, very nice. So a little word of advice, always pick it up by this spot right here. Never pick it up from the light seal because it will just fall off, like just like that. So let's take a look of what it looks like without the light seal. So you see you have these really cool lenses right here, and the actual prescription lenses will just connect right here on the magnet part. So this whole part right here is knit, very soft. And boom. It's kind of looks cool like this, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? If this was like some glasses, you know, you could just wear this. All right, let's put this knit back on, and I'm going to take some time to get this set up. So I'll go ahead and set this up and do some more videos for you guys. The setup process on this is something that I want to try to screen record so that I can give you an idea of what it's like. I don't know what it's like completely. I did do the demo, but I did not do the setup in store. So this is just a quick unboxing. Like I said, I will be doing a lot of content on this. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any concerns. Let me know if I can borrow like a couple $100 because I am poor now that I have this. But I'm just messing with y'all. Y'all have a good one. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay tuned. Stay up.